in the deep shadow. This is the front side of the cave. All the blue you saw in the pictures is coming down that wall through the sea in that position. But I'll explain you twice more inside the cave and we will pass closer on your turn, like this boat. So I will show you from outside where is that underwater passage, because from outside only is the same, you know, dark blue. From inside you will see for yourself, but I'll explain you every position inside. This is the right hole. Okay, it seems small, but actually closer is bigger. I'm kidding, you know, of course. Don't be afraid. When we approach to the hole, catch down for 2 seconds, 23 per second, and you young men keep your hands inside the boat all the time. Don't be afraid, I'm in a high position and I will be here all the time, you know? I'm especially prepared for that. I have special haircut procedure for me.
Oh my God. You from the right side, you can see that blue on the bottom. That blue is not coming from the back side. It's coming down this right wall from the main space of the cave. But that part will explain to you better inside the cave. And you from the left side, I will remind you on exit, you will see that position too. But your version will be much brighter because in the meantime, your eyes will be adapted on darkness. So we are still in the corridor. And inside the cave, now the main space is pretty dark. But believe me, your photos of the cave will be better, definitely, without any light and without flash. Inside, you need flash only for selfie. Welcome to the blue cave. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Nemojte da štimatovi svi razumiju ovdje skoro na mom brodu.
Šutija kariba fish.
So, for public, this cave was discovered by Austrian Baron Augen Ronsonet in 1884. Cave is 24 meters long here in the main space. And this main room in front of us, where all is happening, is 12 meters wide, 15 deep and 16 high. Now, eno ti mucica. Now, on the end of the cave, you can see light in the sea. You can see light. That light is coming from that position you saw in the deep shadow from outside. And you from the right side of the boat, you from the left side. Again, you will see that white sand 1 minute later, but you will see much better than the right side. So this is so crucial moment for this cave because through that underwater passage, daylight through blue sea reflects on white sand like a mirror, and that makes this shadow blue and this bright one. That changes also. And now we are at the end of this brighter patio of the cave. Now please pay attention on your left side, and you can see this whole room with white light on the wall. That white light came from the hole above the sea, about half meter above the sea, and through that hole, this baron walked inside the cave for the first time. This entrance from here through the boat is like today, the people in the cave for the first time on that side. Now, we are near the underwater passage. This passage is 4 meters long and about 1.5 meters deep. But we have small dive here, nothing more than half meter. We are in the middle of the closed sea. Now you're from the left side, now you can see much better white sand on the bottom. All this blue magic came from this part, the reflection from the white sand. So, all you can see around us here in the main space is natural, but entrance where you enter the boat was scanned by dynamite before 139 years. Commercial reason, of course. Before that time, on that hole, it was possible to enter only by swimming, here diving, and on that third hole, which I will show you from outside, walking, you will see. Now please pay attention on your right side. I can see better this underwater bridge in the middle of the cave because all that blue light is coming from the same position from this underwater passage. And you can see empty space down the bridge and down the left wall. This main room where we are now and corridor are connected down the left wall, and that's the reason why you saw from the right side of the boat and dark blue shed in the middle of the corridor, because all that is coming through that underwater passage, reflection from the white sand, through this darkness down the left wall, make that blue shed in the corridor. You know what? If you want souvenir from this cave, you can take it from this position where we are now. If you take a photo of the middle of the ceiling of main room, you'll find one stone white heart made by nature. Can you see it? Come on, I need.
Oh yeah.
So we have few romantic thoughts. Okay, now is enough with romantic. Please pay attention on your left side now. You can see this hanging part of the wall. I told you main room and corridor connect down there. From here you can see it. Now you have to wait a few seconds. We have an intruder here. You can see it. So behind this boat you will see that hanging part of the wall. I told you, the main room and corridor connect down there. From here you can see it. Can you see it now? And something more. From this position it is easy to imagine on the bottom all is one space. Because this part of the wall right here hanging between two underwater bridges. This bigger one behind us you saw,